What's up, guys? Picked this thing up, 400 bucks off of Craigslist. See if we can get it going. It's smoking a lot, doesn't run real good, misfiring and whatnot. Let's see if we can do a spark plug on it and get it going. Got a 5/8 that fits this plug. Plug's right here in the front. Take this wire off. You can see the plug in there. Needs lines, all that, but we're just gonna do this for now. Let's get to it.
And that's it. New spark plug stopped it from smoking. Runs great now. Fires right up.
Looks like a little rat got in here. Typical. There we go. Let's say that's pretty black. Looking like it's running way too rich. Let's get a new one in. All right, we got our new plug here. Comes with a washer on it already. Looks a lot better. Got some new fuel filters and an extra just in case. Let's get this thing in.